Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming credentials and account type so Outlook knows where to reach mail. Sign into the webmail provider to verify the password works, then open Outlook and go to Account Settings. Once done, check your device's time and internet. Wrong clock or offline status causes authentication failures. Now note the incoming server address, port number, and whether SSL is required. Keep those ready. These are the essential prerequisites you need before changing any advanced settings. Next, modify the account settings to match provider requirements so authentication succeeds. In Account Settings, edit the incoming server type and enter the exact port. Common ports are 993 for imap SSL and 995 for POP3 SSL. Make sure encryption is set to SSL/TLS and choose the correct authentication method. Use OAuth 2 if your provider requires modern auth. If you switched auth types or updated your password, remove and re-add the account so Outlook refreshes saved tokens and applies the new settings. Finish by running the test account settings check and attempt send/receive so you confirm mail flows. If it still fails, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall. These can block mail ports, and then test again. Make sure to re-enable protection afterward. If your provider uses app passwords or two-step verification, generate an app-specific password and update Outlook. And if problems persist, contact the email provider with error details. They can confirm server status or unusual blocks, which saves time resolving stubborn authentication errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.